Hey guys, this is Will again. I was just having a quick random thought, and I thought about this just as I got on the car from my day job, and I was thinking about something, and it made me smile. And the thing that makes me smile is helping out other people. That's my thing. That's what gets me excited. That's what gets me up in the morning. That's what gets me pumped. If you call me up with a art-related question, whether it be sculpture or drawing or fashion design or prototyping or mold making or casting or whatever, anything like that, I get pumped about it. Now, there's a good and a bad side to that. The good side is that it excites me, and I know it excites me, and it gets me pumped and gets me going. And if you have something in your life that does that, it's amazing. It's a great feeling. And if you do that for a living, you'll never work a day in your life. The bad side of it is that you can't help yourself. As soon as somebody tells me about an idea or a design or anything like that, I can't help but think about it. I have to start designing it. I have to start drawing it and helping them out with it. I have to start writing them an idea and things like that. I can't help myself. So the bad part about that is that if it's an unpaying gig, it kind of takes up space in my head. So I got to work myself around that. I don't know how to get away from that one, but I gotta work it out. But the thing I'm getting at is that what makes you happy? What gets you excited? What gets you pumped? What makes you so crazy that you have to start doing something about it right then and there? You know, it's kind of like love in a way. You know, as soon as you know that you love someone, you can't be without them. You have to be near them all the time. You have to touch them. You have to hold them. You have to kiss them. It's love, and for all intents and purposes, it is. And if you can find that for a business, man, it's amazing. And I know it because as soon as I figured it out, as soon as it came to my head, and I said, "Well, you idiot! What the hell have you been doing all this time?" I was kicking myself that I missed it for all those years. But then I realized it took me all those years of passion and experience and training to work it out and to be able to do what I do. So some people might find theirs earlier, but if I found mine earlier, I wouldn't be able to do anything with it because I wasn't experienced enough. I didn't know how to do what I do now. But you guys need to start looking now. You need to find out what makes you happy. If you can find it now, that's great. And you will be a much happier person, believe me. If you go home every night and you're depressed and you're drinking yourself into oblivion and you're watching 40 episodes of, bloody Big Bang Theory back to back or anything like that, you know that you're not in the right place. You need to start pushing toward your goal, pushing toward what you love. I know it sounds cheesy. I can feel it coming out of my mouth, but it's so true. You guys take care of yourselves, and hope you find your passion. Thanks.